prove it to the world so that we know. Hold on. I need to reply you by looking at your picture. I like to reply people by looking at their main picture. So or fake account or real. Because I like when people are talking to me, they should be real. If you are sure. So let me look at your picture, then I'll reply you. So mlechanyam ga reply ya wuroge. You wait. Irube. Madam, what's your problem? Okay, oh yeah. Chimeze, you don't need to be here. Bye-bye. So, mlechan no nyem ga reply ya wuroge. It's what for the common shoe. Even shoe. Wait, oh, even shoe, and you never marry. Now, shower where you still they do. You never marry. Now, shower where you still they do. They hustle for this. Look, in fact, look at your back pickup bag. They got the shoe. You don't wear and the shoe suffer. They beg you, say, make you leave them. You don't wear dish. Look at you, rube. All these circles, because of getting different ammo that you don't even know whether you will have imbecile children, more or less for having children at all. If time permits you, yeah. Do you never wait? I just want to because I don't like you a picture. Before I reply you, wait. Imagine you. Different colors with a different identity. This place you they dark, this place you they fair. Let me advise you one thing you should understand in this life. You see, when you to chabe, let's assume today I born imbecile. I'll be proud if it may use Zoya for content. There is nothing to hide. And when they tell me whatever to hide, if I can repost my daddy's picture constantly. But as I'm looking at you now, age is no longer on your side, and that imbecile children are very close to you. Why do you think people have disabled children? It's age. I am pleading. Just look at you. Look at you. So I could never tire you 6 of your life at this age. I could never tire you. December is clocking on, and your mates people are coming to pay their bride price, but you are here digging for who has children, who has children. So I can prove them to you. Could you imagine? I pity you. You know why I pity you? Any man itself will marry you now. Go the question like the couples of Thomas Shawun where they made the video. Just because of there is no womb. Awega spam the man had to go to hospital to go and figure out. That was why Ogechi happened. And without even story Kayagari better than your own. You want me to come and prove to a nobody like you? Actually, you're a fool, lawyer. Yeah. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Hey, what I go? Now let me tell you. As I'm talking to you now. Hey, what I go? Look at you. Lego the Guinea. Anti-bag, look at you bleaching. Don't carry you. See, they got that kage. See what you did to yourself. And you think a reasonable man got hold map of Africa. And somebody will ever come and prize you. Lego the Guinea. Lego have punameregi just to get a man to nyash you. You just disfigured your color. Just disable your color. Apuna when you go to the womb, the way I'm mini I pity you. Let's assume I'm going to got him beside the more. It got him beside the more to a level of skin again. December this extend. Imagine how your womb pugeji bro different map. Just take a look at you. Look at the akagi. A woman who will stay and start to another color. First of all, ask your womb. Say how condition my womb today. I pity you. I just pity you. The bread that gave back to you is just the worst. And I'm like you reply fake account. You know fake account. Look at you. In a Georgie here. Look at that. If it's for the satellite, you're not getting name a lapse, okay? He said, who be your sister? Thunder Babuogi. Thunder Babuogi said, be your sister. Madam is okay. Thunder Babuogi. You are your name, my sister. Look at it. Madam, pay as you go. Let go to Guinea. From dark to be blue. Let me assure you, somebody meet you on Facebook, would they recognize you when they see you face to face? Would they recognize you? Look at an idiot Shemo. If what Jpac said is a lie, that I should come and prove to him, say I'm not getting embassy children. He should only please, oh. Now me, they beg, please. If they beg me, please. Let me tell you, I am not. See, you may go to your platform and talk rubbish. Man, that you are not. You who know my class. Number one, I'm not going to go the masters, we PhD. What I go but you, but you give citizenship. Ghana property, tenant, get investment before I will talk to you. But as far as you come to my platform here to disrespect me, I got my Dory. You go to your platform to cry. Because I don't listen to all platforms. I don't even hear what you're saying. I will put you where you'll be talking to yourself alone. But as far as this, you said you're sorry. You are sorry. See, I am not a gentle person. I am rugged to a fault. I am rugged, but I will not look for your trouble. But if I will give it to you. I don't know about for one day. I know I'm not there. I never for one day. But if anybody will live in Chicago will tell you, say, okay, you know, if you have all these things, we will not talk. You want to go? Men when best children, name time him. I pity you because your body count to carry 1 billion. Looking at you, your body count is beyond 1 billion. Makachi, cannot even hire you to be my sales girl. Cannot even hire you to work. Now, like one of my company, Nigeria, you. I pity you. I pity you. Let me just give you this as a warning. I'm rugged to a fault. I don't want to give you BP gallop and blood because if you picture again, people when you shoot, they follow me. Trust me, I'm all over. Because when you know me, just join Facebook for new. Okay, Aya Otila. Bye bye. You don't need to watch American Mad Dog. I am sorry, please. Next time, be caution. Pattern your speech when you want to address somebody like me. You can go to your wall and cry. I may not listen to you. But don't come to my territory to bully me. That is what him and I go bube. And I cross so territory. Yeah? You can go to your platform and share for all I cares. I don't send nobody. So I will just pardon you for now. Stay clear. Stay clear. Even if when I'm embassy children, I cannot prove it to anybody because you're nobody. Like I told Jpac, no, I'm one of them. Then they come and carry their children. Now, Jpac, let's start from you. From that, guys, share this video because I'm about to play some certain things now. Share them this video. Let me leave you. Let you go. I'm going to get my block, okay? I just leave you. You know, play with caution. And I'm not a gentle person. Play with caution. I just let you be. Have fun, enjoy the platform, but respect your own. Now, Jpac, guys, please share this program. And then them go. The 500,000, my 10,000, my 20,000. I never see when I can't say, Ogechi, thank you. Say anybody where they share the program that this violence will continue. There is no peace for the wicked. As for me, Ogechi Okeke, I go nowhere. And then I share they send the regular boss. All of you that are sharing. Keep sharing. No name violence no share because only Wednesday. Stay here. Let's rugged. Please, I've had you. I've had you. Kiru, sorry. Now that you learned in a hard way. Sorry, eh? If I don't, I'm gonna make it BP now. But I'm gonna send the account to get. Can compensate you. Send the account to get. Can mine get 10,000. Can you me? Oh, I'm gonna send the account to get. Oh, sorry. Maybe I help Atalanga. Just send the account. Let me dash you some more money. Send that account to get some more money. Sorry, and next time don't come in a violent area. I'm not that gentle. Even in the church, my account my bag is 7. I know send the account to can compensate you. Sorry that in a bad way. Just send your account. I will share. I will send that account to come get sorry. Can you get 10,000? Kijan 1 me. At least get Ngando. Send the account again now. Mama, I'm so sorry. Please, don't forgive you. Send the account, okay? Sorry. Send the account. I will give you something. Send the account. Hey, send the account again. Send the account again. Chai. Send your account. I'm sorry, eh? Send your account. Sorry. Chai. Ndo. Chai. Sorry, send the Chai. Ndo. Just send your account. I go pin them down. Send you something. Okay? See, send your Chai, I don't they cry for you, Seth. In Donna, send the account again. Sorry. Send the account, come to give some more thing. Or she who dash money? Or she who dash? I don't know. Do you want to say who dash me money? I don't understand. Send the account again. Ogechi Hello? Hello? Hello?
Mama Oge.
Ndewo. Sorry. Hello? When you try you because I'm in a saga mood. I told him come mother join me. When you try you. My brother, come back later. I won't have time for all these play. Send that country, can't see something. At least I'll post that country, I get pin here down. We are forgiving. Yes, me work. Onyem, $1 me, it's able. $1 she pay him that carry go. You gave her. Yes, I didn't mean to go that far. What I go, sorry. Pardon me. Send that account to go. Can you give something? Not the same request. Whenever they add people, I beg. Because no share the program 500,000 abona. I'm another person ga wear more. Na mnyewe ya hu. Na mnyewe ya Jpac na show one ya. Send that okay. Let's say you don't want to send the account. No wahala now. That Jesus. I don't know. Everybody but that lady there. Sorry, eh? Sorry. They were sorry, and it will try. I feel bad now. Okay. Try that. When I took. Let me block this Chisom brethren. Oh yeah, Otila. Type on may you get something. Oh, me can get above the 10,000 now. Chai. Wow, no, yeah, problem. No, yeah, no. Lebam Jibago Kana, this thing may be hurting you now. Wow, no trouble. They don't really and got the look for him. Maybe I can change here many now. So, no, chai. Don't forgive him. I'm new here. Welcome. Sorry, I will send Saga account. Never radio. Oko Shadi. Ugobem atema diki mo mo do wire fu. Kwa he kari ti heja boyo. He heja boyo Igbo. He heja gene. Ari heja po igodo. Obo jari igodo mo do wire fu. Odo wire wu ki heja agbahe. Iwala abia were hama na akụ ya ka akụhe ya. Iwala so deal with it. Sorry. We met at the wrong place and the wrong way. Hello? Mba owu ya the person o. Ino bia o. Owu kwa ya with the person o. It's not the account at the saga o. Eh? What's the name of the person? Owu onya kwa ya kiru o. Wepu ya. Remove this this thing because it not be the person though. I'm the lady, not that one though. Nande maduna they go. Now who you don't pin the wrong account. It not be amo. Not be the baby. Not the wrong. So get it come. It not be I come read now. It not be the baby. Oh who oh who Obi can kill you, not be amo. Hey, it not be amo. Nah. She's not the one, no. She's not the one, no. This is her account so now. This is the person. That's her now. This is the person I'm talking about. Oh, nah, what fun, no. I will add this person now. Check I'm tearing something in there. Sorry, nah. Another person that being go on. Sorry, oh. Hey, today because I love from me. No, chop in your delay. I feel so bad. Check I'm tearing something, no. Sorry about the how the whole thing came up. Fidelity Bank. Oh yeah, one and that did not happy this. Account number 60151222738. Okay. No, don't send them away. 850,000 naira. It's no longer 10K. Sorry. No. 850,000. No verse, eh? No. I just sent 50K. Kamshipage. They are lend fee 50,000 naira to you. Let me show it to you. Apoya. Oh, Amalife. Layer 50K. Just send it. Manage about no. You want to go? Ndonna? Sorry. It's quite unfortunate that all taco city me. Me confirm one. Be done. Sorry, eh? Boy, I do the piece, right? Yes, oh yeah, one. National do rupees. Show the Naka piece, whichever one, I'll do rupees. Oh, yeah, do rupees. Anyway, now Jpac, you made a commercial, like Now guys, let me go to Onyem Beranubia. No, not much time today, but don't worry, Wednesday. But I'm coming.
I dare you, post your child online. Post your child online. Ogechi Okeke never say happy birthday to one. One time you can say happy birthday post to it because they come with. Ogechi
The reason why I'm making this video is for you mothers, you sisters, you brothers, your relatives that have disabled children. All these people, all these companies are signing Jpac. Now, my question becomes, is that what you guys represent? And those of you that will go there and patronize Jpac, that means you're supporting Jpac to molest, disrespect, bully, disvalue, disable some mothers that have put in everything it takes, their time, the pain they are passing through. That means you are supporting Jpac and the companies are signing Jpac to continue to bully and disrespect these people that are passing through a lot. For me, thank God I don't have no disabled children, but I'm putting this out there for those of you that will go and patronize any furniture, any drink, any house, any hotel that Jpac is commercializing for. I am putting it out there that you are the one that will continue to give Jpac the infantry, the guts, the ability to disrespect women, families, men, whoever you are, the disabled ones that will take care of, that will see what they are going through. You are the one that giving Jpac the liberty to insult, to destroy, not to have empathy or sympathy when it comes to children like this. Jpac owe everybody an apology, including those children that he mocked, including those families that are passing through a lot, crying on a daily basis, God, what did I do? Like I said, I do not have any disabled children, but my heart goes to these families. So the reason why I'm making this video, if you are buying anything that Jpac is putting on there, or any company should be boycott. Jpac should be boycott. Those companies should be boycott, because you guys are the one that giving Jpac the guts, the ability, the impetus to do everything that he's doing. We are talking about sensitive issues. We are talking about mothers, children that are passing through a lot. This family did not have the children because they have committed any crime or anything. It's just that
I'm going to be busy now, drag him online. No, I'm going to be busy now, drag him online. All this why in that drag him online or what if or when it comes to us or when see or when I say, Korobama if you eh?
Ishi na nwere ihe kwuru. You came out on social media. Biagwa the whole world. Na mmụrụ imbecile dowe n'ụlọ. You start mocking those disabled children. And you still came out here to lie that you never said anything. You came out on social media and told the world that my father raped me. You still say that when he shirem, they were he shirem. You see that even the company Nyagagi product for you to commercial for them are also lying. Are also lying. Block anybody. You don't need to delete their comments. Block them. Deleting the comments means that maybe you want them to still be. Block them. And when anything truth that will come out of your mouth to Jpac. That was why I made this video, jogging. These women that passing through a lot in the name of they had disabled children. Do you know what it takes for someone who disabled kids? Do you know why government teach Oboda? Do you know why they call them special needs kids? It's because they put in every goddamn thing. Or the reason I would not have this time to be anchoring program because government do visit them in Tekanolo often and on because of the reason. It's not an easy thing for you coming online. Now, you didn't just mock. You didn't just mock those things that have children. You are mocking the company that are giving you products to commercial for them. I tell you, I'm Oya, Otila. Well, you're mocking those companies that are giving you products to commercial for them. You're not telling them that the company are supporting you, bullying children. You are not telling us that these furnitures and the company that are signing, they are in support of you molesting those disabled children. Do you? Assure Madam Utoria, goodbye. Totila. You are now any mother, and your age Ghana Bago is 80. Let me do not exaggerate. 60% of you, Assure, you know the tire. Oh yeah. Now block us both. Now block us. Don't waste my time. Any woman that is of age and any man that is of age that is supporting Jpac and what he said, you know fully well I don't have no disabled case. But you sitting up there supporting this atrocity, this abomination. Chances of you having those disabled children are 60%. If you don't know your biology, go and read it. Science cannot lie. Science cannot lie. And you that have disabled children, and you're here supporting Jpac, I pity you. Because think of what you're going through. And a full-grown ass man that is often in the circle of having the same disabled children. As much as a man is above 40. Your chances of having disabled kids are high. I know none of you guys are alone. None of you guys are alone. And Jpac will comfortably sit up and mock. No. No, you feel why I don't have no disabled children. Jpac is mocking you. Jpac have already told us that these companies on a put through ad that what they do is to mock disabled kids. Because I have never seen a reasonable company that have something upstairs that will allow somebody like this, who knows what communities, people, various homes that are passing through, that will come and give Jpac their products to come and commercial for them. That means this company should be boycott. Automatically boycott them. Anybody that's in a Jpac commercial without him coming online to render a significant apology. To render a significant apology in this thing over here. I pity all of you that I'm obeying and you're of age. Go and find out. But science made some research. Muriakuko made some research and see what age is very close for having those disabled kids. Is very, very high. The chances of you producing this thing. Do you think you're mocking me? I don't have any. But I just want to put it out there. Is that what all these companies represent? Because I'm about to play them before now. This company stand to represent all these responsible content creators. People that will put up your products with dignities and respects. We're a man who come out on social media to disvalue and disgrace and bully those that cannot do for themselves. Those their brain are not well functioned. Is that what you guys stand for? I'm asking you. I just want to, we hear company again. What your company represents, you carry this thing to molest and disrespect and disvalue children. And then we have the ability to nurture and to do things. And then we have the chance to tell God. Or people that don't have the, what they call it, to say, because God, can you one came to, or they are not opportune to marry when others are getting married. Things fall apart, and instead of Jpac, he put up. Knowing fully well that I don't have those disabled children, but now he's indirectly mocking all of you that will go and support these companies that giving Jpac ad to patronize them. When you buy that furniture from Jpac, you have already told them that you are in support of mocking those children. When you buy or you go to that hotel to lodge, you have already tell us, yes, we are in support of what Jpac is doing to those innocent children. When you go there to buy the drink in and know fully well that you are the support of where people are being destroyed. Imagine my God, do you know what it takes for a mother? Joe Esim Bakara, why he came out with tears. With tears, Joe Esim Bakara, what it means to battle with such lifestyle. Or they are easy. They'll share their tears. A full grown ass man who is representing and a lot of Igbo young boys and ladies are following him. I help put on social media. People that are not when he hear corner. We hate Iman Ogechi disabled children. You know, but who are you mocking? Who are those children you're mocking? The same people that be patronized had the furniture. Those furnitures that he put together are out there. Is that what the company represents? To bully those that don't have the ability to stand for themselves. I'm asking all of you, is that what the hotel signified to represent? Is that what you guys stand for? So when I got China, the whole Facebook, and when you look at Tanaka, as somebody got an ambassador, Jpac, a man who represents fetishness, who go to a place, is that what your company represents? Your company represents that a man who cannot shut his mouth and wear secrets. Is that what your company represents? Your company represents a man who joined a group. Is that what your company stands for? I am asking all of you. So for all of you that are reasonable Nigerian men and women that reason before they act, anything that Jpac is commercialing for is prohibited. We should boycott every company. Who is calling me? Hello? 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 Ana m anị na-ekwu, chọrọ ịcontribute n'ihe m na-ekwu. Okay, I'm live. Oh, I'm live. No Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I can only request. Okay, bye-bye. So, Anamajuna, this company, say Gadarana, on a lot of commercial like because we understand therefore to humiliate them way order, to stand and criticize people in way order. Is that what you guys stand for? Or we understand therefore? Anamajuna, is that what you guys represent? Let me play all the companies Jpac in a minute ad. I want you guys to boycott it. Stay away from company that support molest or disabled children. Company that support company that supports a man in a because of Ghana. While the same man has been saying all manner of stuff, I want you to boycott every company that are giving Jpac ability to mock someone's father around. I thought Igbo were values. I thought Igbo were dignities. I thought Igbo were things that we do not play with. Also mado. Jpac is that what your company supports? Is that what your company supports? Also mado. Your company are not supposed to come and lay a false allegation on Pamadu here. You don't support. Let me block you for saying leave it for God. We have company stand to support a man who talks something that never existed. Because can play rule company that Jpac in a minute ad. All of you should boycott and stay clear from things like this. Hold on. Let me show you.
Boss. Now, I'm not trying to go to furnish or furnish factory, the office factory, and legend interior. I'm going to say,
this legend's interior should be boycott. This legend's interior is the one giving Jpac the impetus to molest and disrespect disabled children. This legend interior should be boycott automatically. Legend interior. Are you not seeing where Jpac is molesting disabled children? Legend interior. Is that what you stand for? Here we ain't stand for. Legend interior. Are you among the people now? Jpac with 30,000. Let me show you. I talk with evidence. Share up this program. Share this program. Come show what legend interior stand to gain. What you stand to do. Is that what you guys? All these companies should be boycott. Stay clear. Come show Ma we get Jpac. Kogana 30,000. What we stand for, to buy or to patronize, because I am good citizens to patronize good things. That is what we stand for. I'm not playing. The choir. You come watch your company. I show Mad Woman. Oh yeah, no need of watching Mad Woman. Oh yeah, for get out. We have company get standard for where we gather our women, where Jpac belong and Governor Onwoshin. Is that what your company stand for? Where they belong, the groups they belong, the groups they bring out. to gather our girls, to be seducing, gathering them to be doing what? Your company just stand for. Guys, share this video and click love and like. Facebook could disregard any report on this video. All we are doing is to create awareness. That is the only thing we are doing. Jpac is a member of this group. We are Jim Venza, the auto distributor. We are Kingsley that Jpac can fight on his platform on a daily basis. And then I put me here because I'm busy. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hey, I'm live for when you get cool. Okay.
What you are saying is right.
Okay.
Nigeria and Nigerians are supporting A4.
Okay.
But don't meet any company. We know, people know all the companies. And now we support you. We support what the exposition you are exposing. They are calling it saga. It's not saga.
Thank you.
Nigerians, it's not saga.
Thank you.
Our leader God have appointed her to expose them. Bikono. We're gonna list it. Sister, don't mention any company. We are with you. That is my own contribution.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Come to hear my Eva, my sister. Eva, you're welcome. Do not listen to any idiot. You don't have time. And just silence the idiots. When people are looking for your attention, they seem to get, all right. Let me silence you. All right, Otila. This place is not meant for everybody. It's meant for intellectual and intelligent Nigerians. It's meant for intellectual, intelligent Nigerians. Anybody that patronize that company, you are among those who allow Jpac to mock disabled children. Anybody who patronize that, you are telling them that this company is supporting Jpac in the name of group about open and close. Is supporting this company where they lure women into Iwetotoha Akwohobo. So anybody can come in and contribute as well. I will give you the, but let me continue to do what I'm doing. So for those of you that will come here to tell Ogechi any other way, him not Juno, boycott all these companies that Jpac is running ad for them. Boycott it. It's prohibited. They stand with our arrow. I am telling you with my foot, guys, share this program as you're watching me. If you're reaching being an ad, they crazy, they mad. Legend interior. Oh yeah, go love him. You can't love him here. Comment here again.
No, how about the best people that are watching? Or I think what I'm here tonight. But what about the Facebook?
This legend interior should be boycott. I'm here because we have Jamie live video. This legend interior should be boycott. Support legend interior. So you support a man that will bring out someone's father. So you don't follow the dead. The only thing, actually, the only thing in matter when no so we cannot, you cannot tell me that you are not being seeing or watching what is happening. Do not patronize. Hold on. Otila. Do not patronize anything. This interior furniture patronizing is against humanity. It's against everything that this world stand to represent. Jpac na molest in them now. Jpac na molest who disabled children at the handle. Jpac na put make up stories with all manner of lies. And you guys want to tell me that I should keep quiet? I will keep announcing it to the world. And when many furnitures, and the people that are responsible, and with other pages that can be able to patronize some reasonable stuff. Not arrow, we say no to it. Furniture, Ghana support to Jpac in a boom Gadibia. Furniture, support to Jpac in a group. Ne got one. Ya 30,000. Yeah, she other men in expensive thing. Furniture. Company Gano, Jpac approve disabled children now more. It's not that this company we stand to patronize and support. It's called Aru. We will not stand to support such impunity. We say no to Aru. Let's continue. Do not. Legend Interior should be boycotted. Legend Interior should be boycotted entirely. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hello? Yes. Yeah, I don't put on for last speaker. I don't put on for last speaker. Yeah. They are listening to you. Mm. 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 Now me they hear what you they talk. If you are watching the video, you know say I'm the one they're hearing what you're saying. Nobody they listen to you. Or you run imbecile. Cut off my platform. To my block go the number in the first place. Because a Mali I don't know my face. The time CG man nama call I'm not Jpac again, but it's quite unfortunate. Is it because I don't record people? Is it because now I don't record this? You know all this way they equipment. What is evidence? What is evidence? That is why you have to be equal. Now let me tell all of you that giving Jpac ad company giga saga company. Company giga a saga company. I just want you to know that your company again with breeding, so you better stay clear from anything that has to do with Jpac. All these people that are giving him ad, the guy with a saga company. Oh, guy with a saga company. Because all I want I am just say for video. All I want to give me commercial. For those of you that say, come on, now him start amo. I am just say for the video. All of you use now him use me. They run ad. You know you fully aware that everything I'm putting now young agbaramia. Now Oburula company no patana saga. So I will use this as experiment. Don't have to get it. Yeah, Sagaring company. No, now him start amo. Now him use do ad this morning. And I'm about to tell the world to boycott it with every honesty in you. Because they are supporting Aru. Boycott it. Our danger to the society. It is on a sponsor Aru. Jpac is signified on a sponsor. So a company has become a saga company in this society. Don't need to go aware. Yes, now. On when I'm saying no one a bit also as money no obia juro ya obi rale so na about lele bita. Stay away from the same bit of I'm done a job and a miss here with Obarande Madu. Stay away from the same bit of that's it. The reason why only when I try to because all one dibia. Stay away from it. Our is forbidden. It's prohibited. Yaruzema gave Obarande Madu Jime sacrifice a GMC mania according to Jpac. I have but I'm no young mania. Actually, people happy matanoya with the mania. No one with this mania has been hiding. Other people the same mania that means a mania and support her. That means everything about mania where you. So if you can come here and still give this idiot as your ambassador, that means everything Jpac is said about you is nothing but the truth. If you can still associate with this party, just to get customer. Not destiny. So if this thing is true, then keep giving Jpac to support this arrow. As I stand in here, anything that Jpac puts on is supporting city. There is no two ways about it. Jpac has made company Unu as a saga company, as arrow company, as abomination company, just for you to understand.
This guy na market, you know what you were, then the market is one way. No, you be willing. The check you put online. You know what you were, and the market is one way. The money and market. I don't get no grab on it.
This man, Jpac could not a job. Ejiri me sacrifice. Twenty who are should not hear James in mania. Now, as far as saying that destiny has been collected. As far as saying that destiny has been collected, that I get present here in the ghost of the can renew all the same way Ojibam that imagine that hebrew. Now that's your premises that particular time. Need you renew all or the same way Ojibam. Na manana war panemisi Ejime sacrifice. So do not patronize this man. Opuaro, Opu destiny. On a destroy destiny, on a war. Not that only kidney problem, I am telling you nothing but the truth. Share with this video. If you want to save a brother, if you want to save a sister, if you want to save a mother, if you want to save your loved ones, this video is very important to share. Stay clear from people that patronize arrow, people that mock disabled children, people that mock people that disrespect the dead, somebody that don't have value. All women are shower, disrespect and disvalue everything. Stay clear from it. Your product will get buaro. Your product will be in shampoo. Your product will be destroyed. The truth. So choose responsible content creators. Choose people that can put your market out there. Do not choose arrow. Do not choose somebody na gonna dibe problem while he has been doing that for years. You want to go? I'm not mentioning any company don't mention here. Can mention any product or should here should be boycott with immediate effect.
Yeah, no, we from the back to my warehouse. I'm here with people and Tiaka, I have a correlator. No, you get no grant in Kita. I made a fans. But I'm going over and make it young one at the fair. All I say, we will kill it. We also have a Chalamoku. They bomb to the I know
the same you that came out and start saying that other bitters the kidney problem. It's not you patronizing more bitters. The same bitters say, but I'm the age of Panama. Now the reason why the owner actually help because all no tibia and the normal all the same manager can matter be Igbo, man also destiny you are being shattered in this drink. Oh, Panunu image you life unu have been in this. In destiny bam progress bam. Renew their own. Be careful. Mataki chinane shebu puteri ginere le mo chucho no dia. Lema akpiri ono dia. Lema okono dia. Le everything in a kitchen ahụ mebu puteri gigeri for your own life. For your own life, let me able to tell you from there. Will you be able to drink? I'm like America. Before you start cooking, I get in the city. Make inspection. Monitor the where you get this you eat because of Panamado or Panama or Panama according to Jpac. itinye isi gata akwa determine them Peter Soshin on a kidney nke ọ na-emezi gịnị nke a na-ana future nke a na-ana destiny nke a na-egbu mmadụ nke stay clear from all this company that support Aru. It is no to go. Agama, very dark woman at this Igbo place. I'm not here to commercial anything. I'm not here for you to give me. We must stop all these impunities.
All these things in the Igbo member. Is it because I'm not a good marketer? Come close to me now.
Number one, I did not forge anything. Thank God that many people have confirmed it. I will also play your brother, right-hand man, people everywhere. Bye-bye. He's saying the truth that everything in Mkuru, I will also play the video after this one. Ngozi, Abija share Ibugi to Umwokeni, Obija just share this one. But he Jana, and I okay, Ghana and Buri. Ngozi Okaf, Obija share this program. That is why they share. I told me to give one place, don't share. You want me who on actually do time. Appointment in the next tomorrow we make another one on do not share. I pity who be Ogechi. Okay, you don't need to be my friend. You don't even need to put anybody. Oh yeah, Otila. Do not patronize any company. Name a furniture. Jpac. They are not better than anything. Any company ever molest go mansion did disable should be boycott. And when anything is good in anything Jpac stand to represent, all of them are cost. Cost from A to Z are cost. Do not be a party to an abomination. Don't do that. He said, oh, a bad woman. You makana is a dent. Anything. Boycott everything. And when responsible content creators, they are many in Southeast. Give them he's fucked up. He has no respect for the dead. He has no respect for the disabled children. He has no respect for mothers. He has no respect for women. He call women. He label allegation. He make up stories. Everything. Stay away from a rejected property. There is no profit in it. See, man, I want him too much respect for you. But if you keep associating yourself with this man, I don't think your property will be selling as it is. See, man, boycott this guy. He were a skibo them. He were a palma them. And were many responsible bloggers. Boycott this man. Oh, make sure my business is gonna move. Like I said, I love you. I respect you. I have very high respect for you. See, man, you are more than this rubbish. Stay away from it. I go as a person. Stay away from this. Go. It's a property in Dana before it's so hard. I don't want to believe that. I don't want to believe that Jpac before so people can be able to buy. I don't want to believe that your own is among. I'm just telling you because of how like Remoge. Stop allowing this guy to do commercial for you. No son at the properties on before a rape, some properties. I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe that Ogechi Okeke. I don't want to believe it. Stay away from this guy. Before I know why I'm telling you. Only Olamagi that want the betterment of you, because I know that you are respectable. Despite that he I still believed that you were a very nice, respected man. And I'm joking. Do you still want this person to be commercial? Then come one day about some properties in Don American commercial. Get your boy about who want some sacrifice. I don't want to believe that all company go. Tell me believe ya. Stay away from this. I want you to still hold your respect in a high esteem. Stay away from this. Boycott this guy. I know what I'm telling you. If you want to hold your dignities and respect, this should be someone you should stay away from entirely. Oh, Buaro. Because you know, actually, me matter, that will be fair. On a minute ad. A bonye yatinoku. Woman, business and ad. I don't want to believe that he's so, yeah? I don't want to believe that you are monk. Okay. Come we poke here. I am Otila, Singapore. I don't want to be a party to believe that such thing exists. That is why I'm calling on you. Stay away from it. Stay away from an abomination. Stay away from an abomination that can never be omitted.
I'm going to say you, but I'm simple. Movie could open him over the job.
And I'm a bag you up to them property a la canco. As we didn't property, get property a bulam. I know the land. And again, you're in a core rubbish. You don't even have nothing to say. In a core rubbish. I'm going to go and do test. That is the bone of contention. I get let it out to la guy in a also. I get let it your in a also. We must examine it, so whether you like it or not. We must examine it again. I don't call for anybody to give me land. Hell no. You have my property. No, passang. Alanashism himself as well. Okay? So all these things you're talking is wrong. Oh, I cannot buy a way give I'm alleging in a patronize. Am I crazy? How can I be calling you for allegation before and a will sacrifice and 18 og? I don't know.
Orang gua bamu, gua bicara na Ogechi Okeke, never see my derana. Ungo na first day dia wana na abugo. Second phase I want na top phase. Never see no, and even that top phase that was 6 million naira. Number the first phase, that the first phase 2.5, 3 million. But I never that they sleeping that first phase now at 12 million. Now that top phase that was 6 million. Oh, you be is it because need the HRA done? And you go I wasn't we had about a land banking. We don't do what is called land banking. The same amount of was they do the Abuja. We're going to Abuja over 12 million, 24 million, 30 million. Neighbor name at the way and I which are I would say more than a barempa, more than even at the back of Gusape. So just see, listen, let me tell you, young lady, I'm not going to say me. Each other drag him. Who yours? So don't come and be talking nonsense. All these things that if you go to the one day Marciana na kulele body yana name what I'm saying na kulele body best even na kulele ka nobody ema nobody correct to know that make it here go na kulele.
Let me tell you one thing. Aga me tinye ego na mmanye gbara m na eji obara ndị mmadụ na-eme sacrifice. Ana m etinye ego m the mmanye gbara m na etiri obara ndị mmadụ na onye nwe ya na kana hide ka hapụ ịma na ọwụ onye dibia nwe ya. How can I put my money there? Am I crazy? Mmanye buru ụzọ kwụọ ahịa. Mmanye buru ụzọ kwụọ onye ọla nwụrụ ya na destiny ya lara ile. Now, why do you think they buy all these majority of touts and news and situation everywhere? Not because of this. So how will I put my money in a things that I know that is a danger zone already? Why would I do that? Why would I? I'm asking you. Isn't that what you said? So why would I then na everything secret only when you na lekwa then why would I then join us on the owner and hide the people happy man all deep ya name? Now HG other faces they represent here. So why what the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? I'm just trying to figure out what you are trying to say. Actually, man, what you are trying to implement. Have you ever seen a clonus woman? Have you seen here walking here with me? Yamania Kwakadia. And I call you.
No, stop the warehouse. Where they give.
Let me tell you, nothing stuck nowhere. Nothing stuck no here. Madagashi, giga ebana gene, kahapu ebana, ije ebana ko akanala, pang nebana eri rice na never. Ebana ejo manya, maga hapu manya nejo You are the one that destroyed these things. I wonder how you're still coming out to put and get stuck on our warehouse. You are the one that already destroy yourself because of getting ego. Enegi 1 naira gaba febe, enegi 2 naira gaba feba. These people that are even using you as art are jeopardizing their companies. They are putting their businesses at stake. I am telling them the truth because you should be the last person anybody should have anything to do with. You want to go? Any company like you stand to represent is a dead and arrival. Unless that company want to excel like other companies. Unless that company does not want to excel like other companies. Staying away from this person. Contract all again end it. Contract all with this man, end it. Because you have brought yourself to a path of destruction. Truth. I'm telling you. Don't partake in such abomination, in such arrow.
Yeah, no, now. I don't want to record this because I don't good like record it. I'm not I don't record calls.
It don't record calls. When I go to play with voice notes. You are the one that playing voice notes. You can't keep secrets. So what are you talking about? You start playing voice notes. You start playing things that never existed. You start making up stories. So how can this company trust somebody and hold the credibility, the ability to have anything to do with? How can a man that has no integrity to protect, and who nothing to write home about, the company later sign again? There is a problem in your company. That company don't want to sell. That company is meant for doom. Because no atom of secret, because actually every business. Oh yeah. Otilo, go here. You're not meant to be here. Otilo, she up. Now, I am asking you, these companies and I represent, what did they stand for? Company that support abomination, atrocity in our society. And is that what you guys want us to stand to gain? And I say no to it. Guys, share this program because we are reporting it. Share the program, click love and like. Share the program. Is that what you want us to be patronizing? Hell no. I say no to it. I say no to it. You are not a good advertiser. You have brought shame and ridicule to these companies. You have brought shame upon shame. You are a pain to their business. You are a disgrace to their business. You have come to destroy what they labored for. Only an intelligent investor will stay away from you. Only a businessman that they don't follow ad. And they don't follow social media at this now. If that person who think faculty, people panuru mega good commercial will stay away from you. You are a destruction of patronize good things. And I will keep saying it. Ndola when I'm should boycott everything that has to do with you. Period. Absolutely period. And I'm telling you exactly who you are. Nobody can tarnish nobody. All I stated is nothing but a pure truth. Somebody called me this morning. Shimoge, I know that 80% of things you're saying about Jpac is true. Then I replied the person, you are the only person that giving yourself 80%. 101% everything I said is truth. So if people can accept 80% that I said is true, but me know you fully aware that everything 100 ways you open. So now what are you saying? What are you then not saying? You want to go? So if people 80%, some believe 90, some believe 95, some believe 98, that means they know that I never lied against you. Now let me go to the company, this commercial email today. People should be aware, stay away from you. Now let me reconfirm that everything I said about you is nothing but the truth. Let's go through this video now. Let's see if I'm lying or what I said is nothing but the truth. Hold on. Hold on. Let me go to this particular video. Cameraman, what I'm saying, is it true or lie? That is why I keep reposting videos about you.
I will play you voice note of Akoko. If I want more about Jpac. I greet you, my lovely fans and friends. Always Mona Bata. All video into limited Basalo Jpac and Ogechi Njaka allegations. That video could before na Mama Jpac little exposed because it's my brother. But only video alone na say na ndo pa na ha you are back. That video now before move for meju alone Jpac little exposed. Makone men CCDC abadi yaja. This may be an opportunity for Jpac to repent because Jpac has destroyed many homes and Jpac as well has tarnished many people's image. Let me get straight to the point because now Ogechi is an evil woman. To me, Ogechi money abroad because the way she play give me I like come here. On a bargain ya on a peace. And this is more. I don't know boy. I'm on a shame than a man. Manon will even abonate Ogechi. Pure truth. Because na Jpac over me as well. If I basalo seaman Ogechi is a truth.
Okay.
Jpac over me as well.
Okay.
If basala po panino kulu Ogechi 98% good truth.
Okay.
Because na Jpac over me as well. I know that one.
Okay.
Do no utal na po of Tanirua or Palibone. But now we see because now I'm a true for my religions. Let me expose Jpac Lero. This video, share the video. Last year, if you could remember, after when Jpac na monk and
Okay.
just because Jpac is my name, then who say, "Oh, my name, will you leave me Facebook?" A weapon they see could go a brand.
Okay.
By now, Mondays or my boy but because Nancy could somebody, she the DJ. I'm still here. Now, Mama Dodger.
Okay.
Those things over with Jpac, which is my page.
Okay.
Which they will not page young work and jump when you come out of that now. My voice is my legacy. Okay. And the home was able to gone up on. Jpac has betrayed many people. He has betrayed even himself.
Okay.
Let me tell you how Jpac operates.
Okay.
I will play you voice note of Akoko. If I want more basal Jpac is more walago. It's in the voice. And I'll see place on voice. For example, Jpac I come TV alolo sometimes. Jpac or the TV alolo 247. Jpac Ogechi Njaka alolo. Jpac
He used me, but I was smart enough.
alolo. Jpac Empire alolo.
I better use it on
And many other bloggers like Ebony Son, Ukongu Dibie, Fendi Abgini, his merchants, which are alolo. Plus other people didn't cause. Before them, when he bring out lies, oh, to Oku say, oh, to make oh, yes, Oku. Obonye, before you know it, only a queen in a page here, only a queen in a page here, only a queen in a page here. If I hear you, lie.
I know what I mean.
I know many information to make a brilliant campus here, but lies. Though I did some mistakes. From matter, when he acquires opening me some things on the water, that's when I show him. Now,
Okay.
Jpac now, many people are low. You watch here, go to TV. Now, lose Jpac all. Don't want to Jpac. Now, for Nesioku. Now, be a Jpac. Umesia. Jpac one small little problem with governance yoku. Or pack all the voices of secret was a governance yoku to a more same way by a war.
Okay.
I refuse to do that. Here are the voice notes.
Okay.
Then Umesia Jpac on a way so based on not some budget to war. I refuse to do that. I'm gonna go on your quasi. Jpac, gas governance yoku. Police in all of us are man talk amaro. Call here. For when I was in the work with lies. Jpac and I rule with it. Come on, to the Nokija. Omesia, opposite to Jpac. Fasoku. All the secret. Gakolo. Governance yoku. Or whatever be a war. Jpac na alu uti upia da na okija. Omesia fase oku. Oje kolo governance oku the whole secret of upia da na okija. Jpac and everything masala poko.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to
Okay.
every secret.
Okay.
Every almost if I'm going to Ogechi and
Okay. Okay.
everything.
Okay.
Man kesi man.
Okay.
I can do training I know.
Okay.
And the Jpac call. Praise Jesus.
Okay.
Every secret was all up.
Okay.
Oh, Messia Jpac is so good. Praise Jesus. Jpac call confidence you. Na praise Jesus na pontu.
Okay. Okay.
Jpac name operates very wrongly.
Okay.
To destroy many people. I'm talking about Makatesi Empire and talking about Makatesi.
Okay. Okay.
But Jpac, it become more harm than good.
Okay.
On a lemado, ten kubo.
Okay.
And you why put on one. If I go there, we will not blame her. Emma, why?
Okay.
Jpac is that girl where water.
Okay.
To talk about what they are not covered.
Okay.
Jpac is that girl where water. Everything was had to get to move. Call to governance, call to everybody, but I refuse to leak the secrets because I'm a man.
Okay.
Jpac Basara Mua to Tom Bahadinama. Otomocha Omesia, I'll call Kate or Mua. All I'm getting,
Billionaire. Thank you.
I know everything about everybody, not blind.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Even you are watching Tana.
Thank you.
Jpac can go extend to destroy your image.
Thank you.
By all means.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Alusiego. Go JC Haba Mixture. On one, you're not 250 million na Leki. Or Messiam or Bolasik or Jpac information.
Thank you.
Just to fight that man, not seeing 5 million.
Thank you.
With evidence, with them voice.
Thank you.
Just to spoil that young man. Or Messiam for the man.
Thank you.
That's why today we are friends.
Thank you.
I know many information when they must say so. I hide it. That's why you don't know your neighbor on Mama. Anyone came to prayer, the Gawa. And I told you, you believe you. Jpac fit with lies about me and other people. Oshene is you. Ogechi Jpac can you side here? Come back to me and tell me more about her. Who's the blow your job? Who's the Abacha who bring her also? Descendant then. Call me for you not call someone to you. A cousin call Salamo.
Okay.
That's how Jpac operates.
Okay.
Even though Ogechi.
Thank you.
1 million.
Thank you.
Kokolo Masalo ever do 3 billion.
Okay.
Makesi jenka kwoko. Ever. Makesi meet here. Kapasu wera ever.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
But I don't talk all those things because you know why? I know na Jpac Bonyasi. For Congo Libya, when Jpac breeding everywhere. I anando Jpac Jilasele. Magdasele. They put who bloggers information. No one on non-government camp until that man on you out.
Okay.
Jpac may be you out. So if we're not by war, I'm dragging a mosh because we know why.
Okay.
This is time to stop Jpac.
Okay.
Or by normal preaching and teaching than it now about war. Your saga. What if you have Bonkase? If you was saga, a more truthful saga, or a kuzi. Because Jpac has nothing to offer than a dragon madu. Allow me to tell you something now about Jpac on Gamaro.
Thank you.
Jpac
Thank you.
even media will before Jpac voice.
If I never see anything.
Even care of justice.
Thank you.
Jpac in a brief information. Oh
yeah, I could attend them.
All those Sagona Bamboo care with Jpac information.
Thank you.
Jpac have used almost 80%.
Everybody.
To spread his lies. Yes, you. Like what you read in Jpac must be stopped. Go away when you can face reality. You have a wedding man. Today, no one else won't go easily. Oh, Jpac they feed you with the lies. Until that man went so. Jpac below your man. Can you well so with man pass man? Oh, Jpac they feed you with the lies.
Oh, yeah.
About man pass man. Because I have big letter and they will.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Eh, it's telling me here. Who did me come on pass man? Who did me one pass man? Nke hakaja. But people that time in post one pass man. Oh, Jpac but I made that thing. That time in post one pass man. Him know about that. Oh, Jpac but I'm everything. He was that man pass man. This man, you not hearing now nyapuga. Oh, Jihana, oh accurate. Oh, one but I be here was one pass man. O chetere la mi ihe na di se ga akụkọ buru ibu o maka shima kpozila ha akụkọ ebuka ihe onye akọrọ akụkọ ebuka
When Subu Jpac Bologna. Kedu mgbe oge ebi
mba agba ya ha so ibi ota agbaliwe elu ị na-emere ya nke na-emere ya nke
omu head safe
nobody on this planet is safe na aka that amusu nobody. Thank you. It won't be safe. Never.
So can you now watch the video? I still maintain my stand. Jpac have my brother. Mana. That's all one now Ujaga.
Thank you,
Makana. When I meant to be felle. Oh, Jpac tried all he could.
Thank you. Do I want him to pick up to take the car? Do I want him to take? About this guy. What's up, man? Maybe the guy, my passport to ya. With passport, passport to this particular one nail. But remember that the guy war, inside the guy become look. Imagine no one put away those things on your against this man. This man get away. Oh man, she from Jpac. This is how this devil operates. He will go and set you up, but him brain. The thing about the man war. Abraham Bashino, something wisdom need to apply. This is how this demon operates. This is how he operates. Nana go fuaka ja calls on Nana Caesar, Nana Onya. Look at Tony Gra wedding, Tony Gra church ga wedding one ya puta. Ga bara with 3 justice. This man is not a stable person. Trust him at your own risk. And Ogechi something funny get people this thing for these things to stop. And they have started it must stop. Rubbish.
Jpac was my enemy overnight because when now somebody to one,
oh gosh, problem what's the problem with I'm watching Bonya war may refusal. I mean, I put my passport to ya. Everything about this man. May born on Ethiopia. I'm on a reaction on a Japan on June, matter how many million. My voice record of the man Jureju. All Jureju are my impulse. Ya wonye Jpac. Ya wonye on not information on your way. Not information on your way. With the bloggers in if you refuse to dance to his tune, you be by Hoge made up with him.
I have the whole voice note.
Always your poo. You don't need to tell me. Always your poo. Oh, be remember everything about you. Makesha chogato, mandana chogis rego, man, my passport to get number one in Huaga goes the resume. I'm going to get Jpac. When this thing started, I won your problem. I am not just the company and are they hiring integrity? Are they hiring uselessness? Are they trying to put their company into jeopardy? Are they trying to save themselves? I remember.
Jpac's now internet FBI. Ulufuzie no mo internet AI. I follow you with wisdom. So in a joke with Jpac, you are on your own. Jpac, but I like one back. Ethiopia. No, then he had them. Well, lastly, Kurusha, a jack, like weapon Ethiopia, a jack, or 1 minute to where I don't know. Thank on Nosely. My Jpac said, it's equal. And he lived in Ethiopia.
I hope. I should then attach a pocket. I'm a here. Na Japoke na tanina who did really. I can.
What have Jpac Jelus with another? Jpac break with Jack one Bakuna Mbamojere Dubai. Okay, Jack one babu when you jig we say what Jpac Mahatrapana Dubai. When I'm I'll find one me. Baku Johnny watch. Ojono abuku sisi. Ojono abombamba. Fina abugene on a wash.
Parunga, welcome, my brother.
Come on, and the Tunde. Tambipo when watching. Ulu she fast a man.
Thank you.
Did the JP? I'm a guy dance. Condioso. Jpac in the Bukalekele. Oskipu. I Bukalekele.
Okay.
Simon Stable, it's in Hanaba. Now you have Oka.
Asane.
Makana.
Asane.
Anybody one. Gabiga.
Hey.
So please, before you know, I'm Ogechi. Sibambo. Kupeka Jpac to Bojo or no Megalo.
Thank you.
Jpac Megalo. If it's my town village, Jpac is a group and do make it.
Thank you.
It's not wasn't the DVD go daily. Why folk will put Jpac here for Lepa? Olufuzeno Mumma standard his brand. Like 2020. We find a batch of play.
Okay, now, so when we find a batch of Podrege, and when I'm watching Proge.
page here for the staff. One name on 1 year page. Young one. So you figure I'm I cousin here. Jpac is my brother. Man, if you Jpac, if anyhow. Hey, if anyhow. The very kind of you no.
Hey.
I'm a baby silhouette. No. Jpac and I you are selling.
Okay. Thank God though. Thank God though, because you know why? Oga we hear me national Ogechi me. Listen to this one again. Okay. Okay.
Onye nji maka ebe tata maka Jpac okwu anyị ọnụ.
Check and block oil.
Jpac okwu anyị ọnụ gbara ihe onyonyo abanye na-abọ gara aga. Ebe o jelu n'obodo a na-akpọ ụmụ ọkpọ ntu na nga ọkpala. Wee jee jide aka n'osisi. Osisi ọdịnala. Osisi alụsị.
Gee ntị.
Wee na-aṅụrụ iyi na-aṅụchite ma onwe ma ndị na-egbu ya ebubo. Wee na-ekwusi na ọ bụrụ
ọ ga-agala one akụọla 1:13 na madam self. Guys, let me go and start getting ready to go to work. Tomorrow on Wednesday I will come on live, or tomorrow too if I have time when I'm going to work. Now one akụọla 1:13. God and madam, see you guys.